Talik and Bifen can help reduce indoor ant and spider activity when used carefully and according to label directions. Use only products specifically labeled for indoor use and read the entire label before application to confirm allowable sites and mixing rates. Focus treatments on entry points and harborages such as baseboards, door and window frames, cracks in drywall, and voids behind cabinets. Apply a thin band or spot treatments rather than broad spraying to limit residue on living surfaces. For wall voids, use a hand pump or pressure injector designed for that purpose and inject small amounts into the void through a drilled access or existing opening to get residual material where pests travel. Rotate modes of action by alternating contact residuals with baiting strategies for ants to prevent bait avoidance and slow resistance buildup. For spiders, reduce insect prey and use long-lasting residuals in perimeter and structural voids. Always avoid applying these products to countertops, food contact surfaces, bedding, or areas where children and pets have prolonged access, and follow label re-entry and ventilation instructions. Pair chemical treatment with non-chemical steps such as sealing cracks with caulk, installing door sweeps, reducing clutter, and fixing leaks to eliminate humidity that attracts both ants and spiders. Common mistakes are using outdoor formulations indoors, which can lead to toxic residues and label violations. So check the product name and indoor use statements and switch to a labeled indoor product if necessary. Another frequent problem is over-application, which causes wasted product and greater exposure risk. Apply the minimal labeled rate to targeted sites and do spot treatments rather than blanket fogging. Homeowners also often treat only interior visible pests without addressing exterior pressure points. Treat the building perimeter and landscape margins and seal entry points to stop reinfestation. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project advice related to pest control and home maintenance. On our site, we help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where members exchange tips and experiences about methods like indoor Talik and Bifen use.